Kenyesa anka radio. Metina radio mpanimfo bebre ni nkwala no pia fade from the system. Ba no krenti me da so. Nansen me betina ha. Eye me the incoming General Secretary still maintain. Justin Kodua. Me campaign me na simi na so.
Oh, okay.
Me nua no. Na me mabusua ni nua me ye no. De me fa ne say asem ba ya na ye be kanti asem ma na ye mistake a me di kan ka kire wo. Zemre bi was wo be yi papa what is say.
Professor Frimpong.
And I'm say childish decision. Go to me nyina de wo kan ye dey.
Okay.
I'm say free okra me nua me frɛ na wo mfa. Ono so on frame ba no de me makan wi me de me do ai na mam ye wo ye bone a me ka kire wo. Me nya me do na nkofa asem ma na ye kanka. Ampa so asem ye kwa akosi say. Won't be nye wo kan ye den de bia na epu bron de ahyew wo so nyere na incoming secretary na me reporter man say John na say yibi to a hisu no mo hwe mame nye MPP mpanifo na de beto so say first match yes started registration e polling station say John from first match that is from last Sunday my polling station, my kwatchuma kwa polling station, my konhye so, my basu bi. The John nya no kra.
What's that?
Nya no kra obi anti polling station or registration.
Hey.
Nya no kra.
Opooman.
The general secretary still on for the forms ni show mu fie. Se bibia sini nya momo ya mane. Monyo official communique and I say official information announcement
anti BBNC
yante hwe
omoye
mo so mo dia dabi
sanamente so maka bibia
dabi police station bia no obi to register
eh
metimi academy area ye example atwuma kwa homa meti atwuma kwa homa mako police station sinyina me yenhia so ayi
87.9 Kumasi
ni ba no mo ye no mo ai
eh be serious oh
I'm telling you mon kan chese ye party office na yaba ya no electoral area basis ni aba mosi polling station bi obi anko onkoye sejo ade we ya na the party no ye lose ba no they say forms ne da so omo be chairman apre omo ye executives and omo register omo guests no omo nianom
omo guests say
oh ha sejo men call na nyoma e WhatsApp polling station no obi pe obi kura person ye delegate no register no na shem general what the decision about very nice one decision about to the organ obi abo abaso
so no na kire sika
say omo nya no aye den omo ya no aye na ma campaign na ye den e ba so no the blame ni be ma
okay do you
Sir John
o report am no
wa so free busa say for regional executives say me say police station bia no obi to ye e dey antia say yampa om kan chen why still mo pesa mo ya somebody mo am chairman mo pesa mo ya bedi mo am secretary mo pesa mo ya bedi mo am organizer mo so ko ane de mo ahwo ne abomo mo ko ane mo lusu
okay Opooman
we need power we don't need more leadership no
you are reporting to
the general secretary
say o call constitution
almost 30 be bien wo amoye
okay
it general secretary una de ba bonten committee no na awem yete omo de ba bonten see your registration say John honorable Kennedy Kankam emma omo your announcement the whole constituency because honorable Kennedy Kankam say e was say ma abufu e woni pamu no efi ho abufu e wodudu na am say party ye police station cry yente ye registration yente honorable Kennedy Kankam asheda abuka am ya announce the whole Ishesu constituency
okay
wa ubuafu bia afa che mo Akoma ntoyem na say nyame adom ye be registration ye so obi anko police station who call any part to be register no be member official member of MPP polling station
okay
ya announcement here every day go for police station obi any
Opooman me that's it.
87.9.
It is a John. You have to remember.
Aye, me will
Serious.
we'll follow up on that. Why?
Serious.
Me that's a pa. We'll follow up on that. Now, Chairman, Kwanzaa,